In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best graphics card available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the graphics card list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the graphics card mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, MLLSE AMD RX 5700 XT 8GB GDDR6 Gaming GPU. The MLLSE AMD RX 5700 XT is designed for high-performance gaming and crypto mining. Its 8GB GDDR6 memory ensures a smooth 4K gaming experience, while the PCI Express 4.0x16 interface guarantees rapid data transfer. Featuring direct copper contact for efficient heat dissipation and a full-size backplate for PCB protection, this GPU combines durability and performance. With a sleek design and advanced features, it's ideal for gamers and mining enthusiasts alike. Price: $161. Number 4, SOYO RX 5700 XT, High-Res Gaming VR Graphics Card. The SOYO RX 5700 XT is ideal for gaming, VR, and video rendering. Equipped with 8GB GDDR6 memory and a 256-bit interface, it delivers outstanding performance for high-resolution tasks. Its dual-fan cooling system ensures optimal temperature control, while its wide application makes it versatile for various use cases. Whether gaming, working, or creating content, this GPU offers excellent value. Currently available at $160.38, it's a reliable choice for performance-driven users. Number 3, MAXSUN AMD RX 598GB GDDR5 Gaming Graphics Card. The MAXSUN AMD RX 590 is perfect for gaming, video production, and office use. With 8GB GDDR5 memory and a 256-bit interface, it provides fast data transfer and immersive VR gaming experiences. The double-fan cooling system ensures efficient heat dissipation, and the 8-pin power connector guarantees stable operation. Compact and powerful, this GPU is ideal for everyday tasks and entertainment. Available now at $79.64, it's an unbeatable deal for performance enthusiasts. Number 2, Kinology RX 550, High-Performance Gaming GPU. The Kinology RX 550 is a versatile GPU for gaming, multimedia, and office use. Featuring a PCIe 3.0 interface, it ensures easy connectivity, while its multiple outputs, including DVI, HDMI, and DP, support various displays. With a 2-year warranty and rigorous quality testing, this GPU offers reliability and peace of mind. Ideal for everyday users and gamers, it combines performance and affordability. Get it now for $70.69. Number 1, VEINEDA RTX 2070 Super 8GB GDDR6 Gaming Card. The VEINEDA RTX 2070 Super is designed for PC gaming and crypto mining. With 8GB GDDR6 memory and a high-speed 7000 MHz clock, it ensures smooth performance in demanding applications. Its HDMI-compatible I/O interface offers easy connection, while the 8-pin power connector provides a stable power supply. Built with genuine components, this GPU delivers reliable performance for gamers and mining professionals. Available now at $240.66, it's a premium choice for high-end users.